If you're on the hunt for an AI website builder, you might have come across Motion Sites, but with so many options out there, is this one truly worth your time and money? Let's dive in and find out. Motion Sites positions itself as a user-friendly AI website builder designed to simplify the process of creating websites. The platform claims to leverage AI to help users build stunning sites without needing to understand complex coding. When you first land on their site, it's clear that they're targeting small business owners, freelancers, and anyone who might feel overwhelmed by traditional web design tools. The user interface is clean and intuitive, making it easy to navigate through templates and customization options. You can choose from a variety of pre-designed templates that are visually appealing and tailored for different industries. However, while the initial setup feels straightforward, I noticed a lack of detailed tutorials or guidance for those who might need a little extra help getting started. One thing to note is that while the AI features are highlighted, it's not always clear how much they actually contribute to the design process. It feels like a promising concept, but there are moments where the execution could use more clarity. Now, let's break down some of the pros and cons. On the plus side, Motion Sites does offer a sleek, modern design aesthetic that could appeal to many users. The ease of use is definitely a standout feature, especially for those who are not tech savvy. However, there are some drawbacks. The AI capabilities, while intriguing, don't always deliver the level of customization some users might expect. Additionally, I found the pricing structure a bit ambiguous, which could deter potential users who want clear options. Another concern is the support documentation. For a platform that aims to be user-friendly, the lack of extensive guides could leave some users frustrated. Overall, while it has its strengths, it may not suit everyone, particularly those looking for deep customization or robust support. In conclusion, Motion Sites could be a solid choice for beginners or small business owners looking for a quick and stylish website. However, if you're someone who desires advanced customization or detailed support, you might want to explore other options. Overall, it's worth a try, but do your research to see if it meets your specific needs.